Now that's two that I've missed. Maybe I should just keep the camera rolling. We're breaking the budget on this day trip, an excursion into Los Glaciares National Park. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are going into the ice fields of Argentina, the third largest in the world. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this pack of matches, and thank you very much for tuning in. Seems like this should be on the Blair Witch next episode. Just a reminder, Borders on Budgets. I don't know about pots of gold and other magical stuff, but to find the end of the rainbow in Los Glaciares National, well, this is a wonderful location. After checking this morning's forecast in El Calafate, it said 20 degrees, 70 for Americans. I actually brought my shorts. Somehow I don't think I'll be needing them in Los Glaciares this afternoon. What I've noticed immediately are the thick and the vibrant colors of this rainforest, especially on a typical overcast Patagonian day.
And in this park we have three species of this family: Lengas, Ñires, and Coihue de Magallanes or Guindo, which is this one.
On this first stop, this is the grandfather tree. It's estimated it is as old as 500 years. Not all flora in Los Glaciares are as grand as the grandfather tree. Here we see a small violet mushroom that will later transform into brown. As the group takes a natural stop along these breathtaking cascadas, this gives me the opportunity to give a quick overview of the park. Los Glaciares is the first national park in Argentina and was established in 1937. The park is over 7,000 square kilometers in size, and only after Greenland and Antarctica, Los Glaciares has the third most quantity as far as glaciers and glacier capacity.
Ready?
Good. Spontaneity is good.
Oh!
I think the trick is more wrist and more flat. See the Black Glacier? As one of the guides just mentioned, we are on Black Mountain Glacier. And again, one of the striking observations upon stepping off the boat is the color and the richness of the rocks. The benefit to taking a guided tour is to actually have a guide for our benefit. Eduardo can now explain por qué las rocas negras.
Bien, las rocas son negras porque no son piedras volcánicas, son piedras metamórficas y son planas mediante la erosión del viento que la va tajando todo.
So, las rocas no están volcánicas?
No son volcánicas, son metamórficas.
¿Qué es? ¿Qué son? ¿Es posible yo como?
Se pueden comer, sí. El fruto es llamado chaugra.
Chaugra. Peak. Chaugra. Oh. Okay. Es una combinación dulce y ácido. Sweet and sour. I was so in awe by the multiple cascades that I failed to crane my neck up and look at the glacier. I ain't doubting the validity of this water source or its cleanliness. I've had so much fun on this trip already. I actually forgot why I'm on the boat in the first place. The little glaciers behind me, oh, that ain't nothing. Wait till you see when I spin this camera just 90 degrees. Hold on a second. Wow! The Perito Moreno Glacier. This Moreno Glacier. 250 square kilometers. To put it into perspective, the width of this lake is only 2.5 kilometers.
Where? Did you see it?
Yeah.
Down?
Just missed a calving moment. The glacier, in its north face, is about 60 meters high, and it's twice as deep below the water's surface. Besides how spectacular this glacier is and its massive size, what makes Perito Moreno so special is that it is one of very few in the world that is actually growing and not receding. The result of calving, when the glacier breaks off. If it hasn't already been invented, here's an idea for the next Crayola crayons box. Glacier Ice Blue. The glacier actually moves about 2 meters a day, and during the winter, when there's enough snow and ice accumulation, the glacier chokes off the lake from one of its arms.
I should have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
I didn't set this up. He was already here. I just rolled the camera. Somewhere back there, that represents 250 square kilometers of ice mass. The cracks in the glacier are spontaneous, and so they tease the audience, us spectators, with wondering if there's going to be a calving at any moment. This is awe-inspiring, and frankly, I don't know that I have much more to add. Oh right, I mentioned before that I broke the bank on this tour. So yes, the cost of the day, $80 US, $65 for a 5-hour boat ride, and $15 for the park entrance to Los Glaciares. I'll let my audience determine if in fact I got my money's worth. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From Los Glaciares National Park in Argentina, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Ooh! Tunnel! It's a tunnel! Oh, how neat! Woo, woo! And he said, yeah, but not so much. Well, far be it from me not to trust him, but here we go. Hey, you lied! These are good! Did you like this story? Good. Help Borders on Budgets. Hit the subscribe button below and make sure you share this video with your friends.